have a new phone now, and it's because Wops decided to buy me a new one. He decided to buy me a new one, but he still broke my old one. If you have an iPhone, you know iPhone, the backup thing, they want you to pay $1 to add another 50 gigabytes to your backup. And I'm cheap, so I didn't buy it. So I don't have anything from my last phone. No apps, none of the games I've been playing, nothing. So as you see, I got the 3 camera, and Woop got it from me. Thank you, Woop. But now it's time to get them back. Where's the toys at?
They're like over there.
All right, go over there. Go find them. Toys over there. Go find the toys. And go pick one you like. Go pick one you like. Alright, y'all, so today is the day I get Woop back. So Woop broke my phone. And he think that he's just gonna prank me and nothing gonna happen? Absolutely not. Did you find anything? Come on, go look. It's not even all the toys. They're over there. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna get Woop a toy today and break it. But I'm gonna buy 2 toys. So whatever toy he wants, I'm gonna buy 2 of it and break the other one. So let's see how this goes. It's a hard choice. It's very hard. Huh? Is this the hardest thing you had to do was find a toy? Yeah? Alright. The only tricky thing is that he keeps asking for toys that they only have 1 of. So he asked for this right here, but only has 1. So I told him he can't get it. So I have to get him a toy that they have 2 of, because I'm breaking it.
I want to get this. Mario's castle.
No! It literally take him all day to find 1 toy that he's not gonna play with in the next 2-3 hours. Never fails. Let me see. So this what you want?
It's the Spider-Woman from Spider-Man.
So that's what you want? What?
Say.
So you don't want it?
No.
Can you say that again for me?
I want this, Dad.
You want this?
Yeah.
You know who Ninja is?
Who?
He played Fortnite. That's his stuff. See? That's what you want?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Like,
So you know, he said you wanted it.
I want this too.
No, that's not getting no vest. What you need a vest for?
I need some gear, dude.
No. Do you want this? Yes or no? Literally been here for over 30 minutes. Look at him.
I'm searching for something.
I can't wait to do what I said I was gonna do, bro. I can't wait. Let me see. So is that what you want?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see it. So it's an Angry Bird simulator thing, right? And you can see, you can bounce the bird off of it and hit the birds. That's what you want?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, go that way.
I'm not
Go that way.
Why do they keep saying that?
You gotta go down.
Oh.
Put it on the thing. Woop is in the room, not even worrying about this toy. Dad! Dad! So you just gonna stay in the room the whole day and forget about the toy that I just bought you. I just bought this. And this is how spoiled you is. You didn't even think, you forgot you, be honest to me right now, be honest. Tell the truth. You know what be honest means, right?
Yeah.
You forgot you had this toy, didn't you?
Yeah.
I know you did. So I'm gonna open it for you, all right? Let's open it for him, all right? So we gotta put all of this together.
Yep.
You excited? Look at this. They got the green things, little babies.
No,
You gonna hit the babies?
The baby pig.
They baby pigs? You remember? Come here, Dad, let me talk to you real quick. You remember you broke my phone yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
That was funny, wasn't it? It was ha-ha moment, wasn't it? You was laughing, you was all happy, right?
Yeah.
So I gotta prank you back. I'm breaking your toy.
Why are you breaking it? Don't break it. Why'd you break my toy?
Because you broke my phone.
Please don't.
Please what?
Please don't break my toy.
I am. What you gonna do if I break your toy?
Break all of your clothes.
You gonna burn my clothes.
Yeah.
You gonna burn my clothes. You know what? I'm gonna put my big Balenciagas on. Alright? Because these are heavy. I'm gonna put my big shoes on, Dad. I'm breaking your toy. You broke my iPad, I'm breaking your toy. So you gonna put my shoe on so I don't break it? Huh?
Yep. I'm gonna play Israel.
So you don't think I'm breaking your toy? Watch.
I'm sad.
What are you looking at?
Why are you stepping on his toy? Them ass. Ah! Now, if he breaks something of yours, you're gonna be mad.
What are you doing?
You think you finna play with this?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
I broke your toy because you broke my phone. Now you can't play with it.
I'm gonna tell my mom I break all of her puppets.
I broke your toy.
I'm gonna tell my mom I break all of her
I broke it. Now you can't. You didn't even get a chance to play with it. Aha.
That's not nice.
Aha.
I'm gonna throw in the cardboard.
Aha. I broke it. You wanted to play with it, didn't you? Didn't you? Did you want to play with it?
Yeah.
No, you can't. Because you broke my phone, I had to prank you back. You thought you had a toy. Aha. Aha, You thought you had a toy. Go ahead. Go in the room. That's why I'm playing with this, Dada. Look. I'm playing with this. Stop it.
No.
I bought you two of the same toy. I pranked you.
It was sad.
What was sad about that? Look, I bought you the same toy. I pranked you.
Was it funny?
Huh?
That was trying to break a key.
It was a prank. See, look. We got the same toy. I pranked you.
Was it funny?
He pranked you, dude.
So that's not funny to you. That wasn't funny? It's like nothing happened. The toy is still right here.
It's the same toy. He just pranked you. You tired of him pranking you?
So you mad at me? Huh?
Yes.
What is that doing, Dada? You can't break no keys.
I don't know about throwing.
You just throw it. I throw my keys all the time. All right, so the beef is all settled. Woop broke something of mine. I broke something of his. And yeah, so you ready to go play Angry Birds, the game?
I don't want to play with that stupid toy anyways.
Why?
I don't even like Angry Birds.
You don't like Angry Birds?
No.
So what did you get? What did you get it for? What did you get the Angry Birds
I
for?
just wanted to get home quick so I can watch YouTube.
So you wanted to get home quick. So you don't even really like that toy.
Nope.
So you didn't. So you didn't care that I broke it at all. So you don't like Angry Birds.
Nope.
So why? So you have me waste my money anyways.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I wanted you to waste all of it money.
All right, bro. All right, so I guess